Alrighty, hey fellas, welcome to another session with OMMICANG. I'm OMMICANG and the other OMMICANGs. Alright, now the last video I dropped about using your debit cards on Moogold for arbitrage has been a very successful one so far, right? And over here at OMMICANGs, we only give you legit updates. It's a no-cap zone. We tell you how it goes and what works and what doesn't work, right? And I noticed that the last video, some persons did not take time to watch the video to the end, and they made the mistake of thinking they could use more than 2 cards on Moogold. Please always watch every video to the end. Alright, if you skip any part, it might be detrimental to you along the line. The point is, we don't want you to lose funds, so please stick to the end of this video so that you would not do something wrong and end up being teary eyes like the guys that later came to me saying their funds got stuck on the side. Alright, we don't want any of that. Now, the main reason why this video is up today is because more recently, for the new guys that try to get into moogold.com, they noticed that they were no longer getting OTP, or they were getting something close to this. Right, this is what they were getting. Once they get to the verify your page, if you do not know what I'm talking about, verify your mobile number right now. If you don't know what I'm talking about right now, please go check the last video I dropped on how to use Moogold for card arbitrage, right? And you will notice that when they tap on this send verification, right, for WhatsApp, they will be taken to this number here, and when they get here, they will get something like this. All right, they would get verification codes like this. And now see what I'm talking about here. I sent this send me verification code here 10:45 p.m. and let's see when they responded. The response came at let me see, 4:50 a.m. You see the margin, the difference there. So this is actually just based to Nigerians alone. Like, this is only for Nigerians, where you send codes, you send request for verification code, and then it comes like hours later, right? Like this one here was about almost 1 hour, 6:31 a.m, 7:10 a.m, 7:11 a.m. This even came close enough, 7:13 a.m, but I was blocked then already. You can see there, I was blocked because I had requested for too many verification code, right? And then when there was this one 10:16 a.m, it just came randomly, and it wasn't good at all for the OTP request page for Moogold, right? So now we are coming with a solution to that. How do you solve that problem? It is very easy, very simple, and we're gonna do that as fast as we can. All right, so this is what you need to do. Let's skip every other jargon part. First, you want to go on Play Store. All right, when you go to Play Store or your App Store, whichever OS you want, be it iPhone or Android, you want to search for VPN USA. All right, VPN USA, that's what you want to search for. Then hit the search bar and you're gonna get it come up like this. All right, this is what is going to come up for you. It would have installed around there or something. Yeah, it would have installed rather at this point, not open because you have not installed it. So get this VPN USA, VPN USA or USA VPN, but ensure it is this particular one that is made by Alt Apps. All right, so when you download it, this is what it is going to look like for you. It will turn to VPN USA. All right, that's the name it's going to bring out for you. Just a moment, let me clear up this part. All right, so this is the name it's going to bring out for you, VPN USA. It is very essential that you do that. Now, I've tried doing this with Epic browser, but believe me, it is not worth it. Now, you'll notice that I'm on Wi-Fi connection, but it doesn't matter. If you're on data connection, it is still the same. All right, so just tap on the VPN USA. It would open up like this. All right, let's give it a while, let it open up. So once it opens up, you want to tap on change server. All right, tap on change server. Now, I would recommend you go use USA New Jersey 4, or if you are using, you can use USA Los Angeles 4, USA New Jersey 4. All right, those are the ones that I can vouch for that they would work very well for you. All right, this is just a list of countries you can like use a VPN from. Right, you can assume your location from. All right, so just go forward there and then tap on New Jersey 4. You want to tap on New Jersey 4 there. All right? This is it, USA New Jersey 4, or you can use Los Angeles 4, right? So once you tap on it, then you tap on connect to select the VPN, give it a while, let it connect. So let's just give this a while, let it connect. Right, so let's give it a while, let it connect. It's still connecting, now it is connected, successfully connected. Right, so as it's connected, you just want to go back to your Chrome. Let's go back to your Chrome, and you want to head over to moogold.com. right? Then you want to log into your account. So for the purpose of this session, I'll be logging into an account that I have not verified the number yet. Right, it's going to be very easy, so please do well to watch to the end to see how this is done, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Right, let others to get to see these videos and appreciate the content we're bringing out here. Okay, and if the likes come up more than the previous one, I'll be showing you guys how to redeem your moogold vouchers. Right, how to redeem your moogold vouchers. Okay, so now let's go and let's log into my account. What account should I use here? You notice I have quite a number of accounts here, so let me try this one. Now I'm going to log in. Just tap on login there. Let's log into that account. Remember, my VPN is turned on at this point. Now I'm logged into the account, and now when I tap on verify, you would notice that I don't think I'm verified just yet. So let me tap on that. You can see I am not verified. All right, you see there, I'm not verified. Okay, so now let us try to verify. I'll be changing this number. I'll be changing that number, but first you want to change the country code to Nigeria. Don't leave it at United States. Change the country code to Nigeria because you're using a Nigeria line. All right, the reason why we are not getting the OTP fast is because they have amended their code from their end that Nigerians won't get the OTP fast. Right, and because you're also having WhatsApp option on the right, and I think it's just one person delivering those WhatsApp messages, so it delivers whenever it wishes. Kudos to Musa on that one. But when you use the VPN, you will get this extra features here, these extra radio buttons for SMS and voice. That's the difference. If you are browsing from Nigeria on moogold.com, you would only see this WhatsApp radio button option. All right, but once you're using a VPN browsing from another country, be it is from Australia or US or wherever, you're getting this SMS and you're getting this voice. So that's the trick to getting this verification. So you'll not be requesting on just WhatsApp. Right, now I want you to take note of something. Sometimes when you use SMS, if you change this to SMS, right, it might take a while before it drop, like maybe like 2 minutes. Don't be concerned, because some people will get concerned and be like, okay, let me quickly use the voice. Now the voice is faster because when you use the voice, you get a call direct from moogold, and they will give you the same I think 5 digits they give, all right, for verification. But the point is, when you put it, it is not going to work, and I will demonstrate that to you guys in the bit right now. Let me show you out what I mean. So now let's put our code. Remember, when you are putting your phone number, don't start with 0. The short code is already Nigeria. All right, so you don't need to start with 0. So just go I'll just put my own phone number now, 806 there. That's done. You can see there the 0 should be out. Then change this to voice. I'm going to change this to voice first. Now the next thing you want to do is tap on this I'm not a robot. You need to tap on that verification to verify, and you'll notice the difference. Sometimes it might bring out a reCAPTCHA for you to solve. Sometimes it will just tick like that, but for today it just ticked here for this one there. So just tap on send verification. Now I'll just wait a bit for moogold to call me on phone because I selected the voice option on this one. All right, so I'll wait for moogold to call that digit on phone. Okay, so it was called 55387. all right, and then when you tap on verify, you see it failed. Please try again. Now if you go on doing this, all right, you gotta keep tapping try again. You tap try again from the code you are given. It's not going to work, all right, and eventually they will block you for 1 hour. I've gotten that. That's what I'm telling you, this from experience. So what you want to do is just tap on SMS, all right, and then you are going to first refresh this page. I have to refresh it because I've already tried it now. So I have to refresh this page again so that I'll be able to request another one better. All right, so I'll be choosing SMS this time around. I'll be tapping on that I'm not a robot again, And once that checks, I will just tap on a send verification, this time around via SMS. All right, so I just hope I don't get blocked here. Okay, so I have to check the country code. My bad on that one. Nigeria. All right, so I've tapped on that, and just tap on try again. All right, and now I'll insert an OTP, so I'll just wait for the OTP a while and let it drop in. So let's just wait a bit for the OTP to drop in. Okay, so I've received the OTP. I'll just go on to put it there, 1829. That's the OTP, and then I tap on verify, and I'm done. It's as easy as that. You'll see that green pop-up that shows that I've been successfully verified. Then it's as easy as that. Just give this a while to load. It's loading. So this is it. Phone number is verified. As simple and as easy as that. And that is how you can verify your Moogold account this period when you are not getting WhatsApp verification. Alright, that's the fastest way to verify it. You see, I got this done in less than 20 seconds. Like, the verification code came in less than 20 seconds. Alright, remember the keynotes I said, do not use voice verification. If you use voice verification, you might end up blocking your number for about an hour, right, before you can do that again. And also remember the fact that you should change your country to Nigeria. Don't forget that, because even if you are using VPN, the number you're using is still Nigerian, right? So change your country to Nigerian. Now let me quickly touch on one thing right now before we proceed out of here. You see, when you're trying to buy a gift card, right, always ensure that you set this country here to USD. Alright, when you're trying to buy a Moogold voucher card, always ensure to set this to USD. Alright, don't set it to NGN, don't set it to AED. Ensure it is set to USD. Alright, so that was just the point there. And I think that's just basically it. And as I promised earlier before, I'll be showing you guys a video on how to redeem Moogold vouchers. Alright, but for now, we still buy Moogold vouchers 100% at the highest rate you can get in the market. Feel free to reach out to us on the digits in the description. Yeah, feel free to reach out to us there. And we use our personal exchange group. All right, we use our personal exchange group because somehow we can no longer find ourselves on money making steps. We do not know why we have been removed on money making steps, so we use our own personal exchange group. All right, and do not be afraid. We are not here to scam you. I told you before, this is not a rip-off zone. We vouch by the name we stand. I am OMMICANG, and it's a pleasure to have you on this session again today. Hope to see you more on this channel. All right, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so that you get majority of the updates that we drop, because believe me when I tell you, we still have a ton of updates coming up our sleeve. We give the latest updates, the real updates as they occur. All right, it's a pleasure to have you guys, and do have a great one.